Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft advertising conversion tracking with UET detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, log into your Microsoft advertising account. Navigate to the Tools section in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Select UET tags from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create UET tag button if you haven't set one up yet. Fill in the necessary details, such as the name and description of your UET tag. After saving, copy the UET tag tracking code provided. Now, go to your website's backend. Paste the UET tag tracking code into the header section of your website. Ensure the code is implemented on every page where conversion tracking is needed. Next, set up your conversion goals in Microsoft Advertising. Return to the Tools section and select Conversions. Click on the Create Conversion Goal button. Fill in the details for your conversion goal, including goal name, type, and value. For the tracking source, select the UET tag you previously created. Now, set the conversion window according to your needs. Save your conversion goal settings. To verify if your UET tag is working properly, use the UET Tag Helper tool. Install the UET Tag Helper Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Open your website where you installed the UET tag. Activate the UET Tag Helper extension. Check for a green confirmation indicating that the tag is firing correctly. If the tag fails to fire, double-check your implementation for errors. After successful verification, monitor your conversions in Microsoft Advertising. Use the reporting feature to analyze conversion data over time. Make adjustments as necessary to improve tracking accuracy and performance. This comprehensive setup will ensure you effectively track conversions through Microsoft Advertising. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.